friends, welcome back to my channel, and now you are watching the video of property. In this video, we try to explain all the details about this hotel, like location, landmark, reviews, amenities of the hotel, and room category and facilities also. So let's see on the screen property location, Islamic attractions and landmark also. You can find all the details and its review rating is 9.6, which is the exceptional. A set of FAQs is now displayed on your screen, which may address many of your basic questions about this property. The property will accept major credit cards and reserve